and we're playing in Roblox in the bird game. Hello.
Hello.
Hi, this is my friend Natxlie. Wait, what? Oh God, you bit me! Let go of my ass! You've bitten my butt! You're too strange.
It wasn't me, I swear. It was only the duck. I mean the bird.
Okay.
Duck.
Alright. Okay, bird, I understand that you like to eat other birds' butts. Very simple.
What if I could stand on your head? Where are you? I'm
And
stuck. Don't leave.
you're never gonna catch me. Ah, darn it. Now my head's through the planks.
Where are you?
I don't know. I went over wood and then I fell into wood.
That's a big bird.
Yeah,
Hello.
what does this thing do?
Someone else. Ah! Stop! Get off me! I swear! Stop it!
What
Stop!
happened?
People are trying to eat me. Other birds are trying to touch me and keep me.
Oh, meanies.
Here's the seesaw. Here's an avocado, but here's seafood.
Blue paint. I'm gonna dip
Here's the red slide.
I'm gonna dip my
Here's the
head
slide.
in my
Here's the
dark
slide.
blue paint. Come on, dip. Just wanna shove it in there. Why are you trying to throw a blue toothbrush?
I'm just kidding.
Blue block and oh yes, now I am super unique.
There is too much mosquitoes everywhere.
In real life? Are you talking about real life? Yes, there is too many mosquitoes. That's one of the downsides of summer.
Yes. I hate it. It sucks. I don't like mosquitoes.
Neither do I. What is this?
I don't know where I am.
I'm gonna fall into the hole. And there is a worm in the hole!
What?
And I'm stuck in the hole.
There's worms!
Yeah, there is worms.
Hello?
Hello. Are you
Where
there?
are you?
Okay. Avocados! I found the avocados!
It's an ice cream. I got the ice cream. Now I'm going to give it to you. I don't know where you are, but I'm going to give it to you somewhere.
I'm trying to pick up avocados.
Where are you?
I'm by a whole bunch of avocados. I don't know exactly where I am.
Oh, wow. Look what I found. A beautiful worm and stuff.
Oh, I'm by the bridge.
What bridge?
Oh, actually, I'm close to the paint bucket. I'm by the paint bucket now.
Okay, I don't remember where the paint bucket is.
The paint bucket is by the bridge.
Where's the bridge?
The bridge is up the slides, and then I think you, run along there. I'm not good at explaining things.
I found the paint bucket.
Okay, I'm running back to the paint bucket. Oh, yes. Where are you? Oh, my gosh. Thank you. Oh, God. I bit your eyeball. You're fine now. I need to let go of you. I'm letting go of you. But I can't. I can't let go of you, Natxlie. I can't. You're too beautiful. What is this? Get off. Which one's biting? Who's biting who?
I don't know.
I don't know either. My beak is stuck to your face. You're a part of me. We walk together as one. Okay, come with me. We're walking together as one.
I can't even walk.
I'm just dragging you with me. I'm the dominant one. Okay, now you're taking me. No, we go this way. Stop pulling. You're gonna pull us into the wall.
I'm not pulling you.
Now my neck is all contorted trying to hold on to your face. Let go. Yeah. Just squawk. Just squawk until you come off my head. Get off my face.
Get off me.
I can't. Everybody do this shake. And now we move forward.
How do you do that? I forget. Oh, yeah.
It's like a little button, shake, and I'll pull and you shake. Okay, let's both cheep at the same time. I can't get you off of my head. I can't get you out of my mouth. This sounds very odd. I can't get you out of my mouth. Get out of my mouth. I'm eating your eye, and I don't even... Oh, it's an avocado. It's an avocado. I'm eating your eye.
What? Somebody says, please stop, and I'm like, is it us or something?
I don't know. I can't get you off of my face. Let go of me. Oh, don't let go of me now. I will fall to my grim death. Pull backwards. Let's go up. You stop me from flying. You're like a bag of bricks.
Oh, what's happening?
I'm dragging you places. The avocado bush. It will save all of our sins. Just kneel. Kneel into the avocados.
I can't.
There we go. And then do the...
Even if I crouch, I'm in the floor. Look. I need to stop crouching.
I'm going to jump off the edge and I'm bringing you with me. Come on. We're jumping together. You're going to... No, I fell onto the ground with all the worms. We're walking around with all the wormy worms.
This seems entertaining.
Yes. I'm trying to get you off of my face. One of us needs to reset our character.
Yeah, we have to. Bye.
Bye-bye. Reset your character and I'll see. Okay, finally! Finally my mouth is free from your eye.
I'm beautiful.
I'm looking for you. Are you there? Are you the purple thing? No, you aren't the purple thing.
I'm the yellow.
Oh, I see you.
What?
Hi.
Hello. You're so blue.
Yes, I am blue. And I love to squeak. This is the mating dance. I'm gonna do the mating dance.
Somebody has a melon. Somebody has a melon.
Do the mating dance with me. Oh, people are joining in on the mating dance. Yay, we got other people joining in on the mating dance. It's a majestical thing. And there's two birds inside each other.
Oh god, this is weird.
Yes, it is weird. Mate with me, I'm doing the mating dance. Pink birdie, mate with me. You are the birdie of love. I am doing the mating dance. Oh, yes, I want more. Come here.
What the
I did the mating dance, but no one wants me. I will just scream.
Why is your toothbrush?
I don't know. I'm running away from everyone and everything.
Where are you?
I am near. Give me a second. I am now on Orange Slide. Now I'm at the top of the orange slide.
Boom.
This will now be my nest. I'm going to do the mating dance.
Oh, look, it's a bridge. Wait, what?
Oh yes, that was the bridge that I... Did worms just fall from the sky?
I just fell from the sky.
Oh, that was you! Now my head is stuck in things.
I need to get up back. I need to get back up. I'm stupid.
My head is stuck in things. Yeah, I fell.
I need to get off.
What are you doing?
Trying to get up.
Okay. Where are you now?
On the bridge.
Oh, okay, we'll find you.
Almost falling to my doom. Almost falling off my doom. Off to my doom. I'm dying.
No, don't jump. Don't jump. Let me bite you. Oh, God. And now I'm going to drag you back. Oh, damn it. You're going to make us both fall. Ah! Darn it.
What are you doing?
I don't know. My neck is doing weird contorty thingies.
I'm gonna tag you in here.
No. That's a bounce launch pad thing. It will just launch you into the air. And I see avocados. Okay. I am going to reset my character because you were not doing. Damn it! I'm orange. I need to find the blue paint.
I'm pink. Oh Jesus!
What happened?
I'm pink.
You're pink. Nice.
Yes.
Are you pink like the pop star Pink? No, the rock star. Oh, nice. Boing.
Where the hell is the bridge? I forget.
Oh, I found a person's head.
Wait.
I took someone's head. I'm carrying someone's head around with me now.
I don't remember where the bridge is. I'm stupid.
No, you aren't stupid. This map is so confusing. I'm gonna dye his head in blue paint.
I'm gonna go back down, and I'm gonna go back up this yellow slide.
I'm dyeing his head along with me. Dye. Oh shoot. I dyed his head and I dyed my feet.
There, now we can just oh my god, I'm stuck to the bridge. Ah! I'm okay.
One of my legs is now blue.
Where's the red? Where's the blue paint? Where is the blue paint? Oh.
Give me a second, I'm jumping. The blue paint is by the bridge. There is 2 bluebirds. And I'm the one carrying a head.
What are you doing?
I'm carrying a head.
Is that you? Hello? Hello?
Okay, are we gonna... How about we go back to the... Where do you want to go to end the video?
I don't know. Over somewhere here? I don't know. I'm do.
We're going.
You don't know where I am? Oh.
I'm following you. There you are.
I'm in the nest.
Okay, we're in the nest. With a head. Alright. Hello? Bye-bye, everyone. This is where we're ending the video. And I hope you had a good time watching this. And please subscribe, and goodbye.